Hey everybody, it's Tiffany from Coulter's Workshop, and today I'm going to be doing an evergreen planter for my front porch for Christmas. So I know I haven't been doing a great job at posting videos, and I know that I say that all the time, but I actually stopped my craft shows earlier this year so that I could have more of December for just myself, for personal crafting, for sewing gifts, for like my friends and family, because normally I'm so busy doing orders and doing craft shows that I don't actually get any time to sew things for the people on my list because I'm busy doing gifts that other people are buying for me to give to their friends and family. So I'm really excited about that. So I also am hoping during that time that I might have more of an opportunity to put out some more videos for you. And not all of them are going to probably be sewing videos, they might just be some general Christmas crafting videos. So I've wanted to make one of these little evergreen urn planters for a while, but they're so expensive to make and they're really expensive to buy too. And you all know that when you're trying to make something, you often spend a lot of money on the supplies and then your time. So sometimes it does work out to just buy it already done. But I found a couple of little ways around that this year. So, first of all, I already had this bucket. I'm not exactly sure where I got this. I think this might have been some sort of gift basket that we received before, like years ago. So I'm going to use this as the actual planter pot. And then I'm not sure if it's best to use soil or floral foam. I saw a couple of people on Pinterest using floral foam, and I live in Canada, and I was reading that the colder the climate, the longer your evergreens stay outside. So I guess inside they can last like 2 or 3 weeks usually, just for the season, just the holidays, I mean. But if you keep it outside and it's really cold, apparently, and like spritz it with water, and some people said to spray hairspray and stuff. So I guess it will last even longer that way. So I'm hoping that with just the floral foam, which I also already had, apparently if I keep this wet, that should keep them fresh, I guess. So I already had the floral foam and the bucket. And then I had these little bits. So I have this brown twigs with the little like gold balls here. And then I have one of these little like glittery curly things. I actually also have a brown one upstairs that now that I'm looking at everything, I might want to use it's sort of a coppery brown instead. So I might swap that out, but also had that on hand already. And then I also had this. This I bought, I think this was from the Dollar Tree, but it's one of the picks that has the little alligator clip on it with a cardinal and a poinsettia and a pine cone. So I might put that in there somewhere too. Now for the evergreen part, I ended up buying this at one of our local grocery stores because Walmart was selling the bundles of the evergreens. Sorry that this is like such a long intro explaining where I got things, but it's helpful to know sometimes. So Walmart was selling bundles of the same type. So it was like a bundle of cedar, a bundle of dogwood, a bundle of birch, a bundle of pine, like whatever you're looking for. And each bundle was $5.95. So I knew that I wanted at least 2 types of greenery, so that was already going to cost me more than $12. So I was trying to find some people that sell it locally from their farms, but it's a combination of me getting out there during their hours and also the money that I would spend driving out there. So I was leaning towards just getting it at Walmart. But then today I was at a much smaller grocery store around where I live, and I found this, which is supposed to be a door swag. Like you're supposed to just maybe put a bow here and like hang this on your door instead of a wreath. And this was only $6 for the whole thing. So, and this comes already with a mixture of, I'm not exactly sure. I think this is cedar. It has a little bit of pine at the back. And then I'm not really sure what this part is, and I'm not really sure what this part is. And then it also has some little like berries, and these are some little somethings in there as well. Comment below if you know what they are. But I just thought this was perfect, and it smells really nice. It smells exactly like Christmas. So I'm going to just cut this open and then use all the pieces so that I have that variety that I was looking for a really good price. Or if you want to just hang this on your door and call it a day, then that works too. This is only $6. $6. Okay, so I separated everything that came in that little door swag, and I have cut my floral foam and I have it soaking in the sink right now just to give it a little bit of moisture. I moved like 6 times to try to find the best angle for this. There is no best angle, so we're just gonna make this work. Okay, so hopefully that's an okay spot. So I'm gonna take this biggest piece first and sit in here. Back. Okay, so I just fought with my ribbon off camera to do a bow. This is a pom-pom bow. Doesn't look very good because, as I've learned, this burlappy ribbon is kind of thick, so the technique of like pulling the loops is kind of hard. But basically, if you don't know how to do it, you measure out a piece that's approximately the width of the bow that you want, and you sort of roll back and forth, gather it in the middle, and then pull the loops out. If you search bow tutorial, I'm sure there's tons. There, I think that's all right. And then maybe just do one of those sort of V-shaped cuts